Hey, what's up? John Sonmez from SimpleProgrammer.com. I am doing career-related videos today, and I am wearing my shirt that says Make America Lift Again, because that's pretty dang funny. I like that. Maybe I should change the shirt though, because I need to get some, these videos are going to be kind of trickled out over time, and I need some immediate videos, you know, that have this shirt in them. So anyway, I'm going to be talking about entering the industry post 30 in this video, which I'm post 30, so I guess I can weigh in here. I have done some videos on, you know, how should older developers market themselves, and, you know, something about old developers. I've done some of these videos. You know, my outlook is generally positive. I would definitely give positive on old school developers that have kept up with their stuff. I'd rather hire an old school developer. Definitely. Someone who has 30 years of experience, yes, come work for me. Definitely. Got to make me 50 grand first though. That's the requirement for working for Simple Programmer. Anyway, and I'll tell you this right now, if you make me 50 grand, I'll hire you. Think about that. You got to figure out, you got to put the money in my hand first. Figure out a way to make Simple Programmer 50 grand. You got a job. Okay? Anyway, let's actually talk about something relevant. Okay, so sponsorship first of all. Hire.com is sponsoring Simple Programmer. This is good. It's good for you. It's good for me. It's good for Hire.com. Well, make it good for Hire.com. Go to Hire.com/Simple Programmer and go and fill out the application and check it out. At least check out Hire, right? You owe them that. You owe. I hate that word, you owe. Anyway, if you want to, go check it out. They're pretty cool. They basically make it so that you don't have to file a bunch of resumes with all these different companies. Instead, you fill out one place. It makes sense, and then these companies come to you, right? It doesn't mean that you don't have to be qualified for the job, right? And it depends on the location that you're at, but you might as well go to Hire.com/Simple Programmer and check it out. And you do get a double bonus, right? Instead of, normally they give you $1,000 if you find a job through them. They're going to double it if you go through my link and give you $2,000 because you're cool and I'm cool and they're cool. Okay, so let's talk about entering the industry post 30 going, is it going to limit my opportunities? This question is from Jason. And Jason says, hi John, I'm going to be graduating at the age of 30. Oh, okay, great, okay. No, you're not post 30. The age of 30 is not post, like 30 in a day, okay. I was wondering how my late start in life would affect my, oh man, you used effect wrong. It's almost always A. Don't use E. An effect is very rarely used. Okay. Sorry, Jason. I had to pick on you for that one. Okay. How would start? Let's start over from here. I was wondering how my late start in life would affect my potential for earnings, advancement, and overall success. Thanks. Let's see. And there's a little bit of extra information, but I don't think it matters that much. So, well, let's add this. Okay, I had an LD when I was younger, and ironically enough, the medication I was put on because of it limited my cognitive ability. So LD must mean learning disability. That's kind of messed up. They give you medicine and it makes you worse. That's really messed up. As soon as I was taken off of it, it was like I was like a different person. I lost 200 pounds and hold a 3.9 GPA, where before I was a C student. Okay, my expert advice here. You didn't have an LD. Someone just likes to medicate little kids. I hate that, but you know, okay, whatever. I mean, you could disagree with me, but that's my interpretation from very little facts here. The lost time, however, has always haunted me, and I worry about having lost my chance at being an outlier in life. Dude, you're not an outlier. You haven't lost your chance, Jason. You are an outlier in life. Okay, first of all, you got off the meds and you lost 200 pounds, okay? You're holding a 3.9 GPA now. You have turned your life around. Not too many people have this experience. You know, the thing is, like, I mean, I could be sad about my past. I could be like, man, I wish I would have started doing YouTube videos back in 2000. Was it even around? I don't know. But I wish I would have started, right, becoming an entrepreneur or writing my book or doing all this stuff, right? And I wish I wouldn't have wasted time playing World of Warcraft. Playing World of Warcraft, so stupid. Or Lord of the Rings Online and Magic the Gathering, right? But all of those things kind of made me who I am, right? And so these are valuable, like, you know what I mean? Like, you're an outlier because you are who you are, and those experiences are going to make you unique. And this goes for all of you, even those of you that are lazy asses right now need to watch the lazy playlist. Come on, watch that. I know you guys like it when I kick you because you're lazy, but even you lazy bums that keep on not doing, just keep on watching my videos and not actually taking action. Part of that is good, because like you can use that to a benefit. It's making you who you are. Now, do something with your life, don't get me wrong, take action, but that past, that history, the mistakes that you've made, the path that you've taken to get there, that's all relevant stuff. That all is bringing you to the point, to the moment that is now where your life changes, okay? Powerful stuff. But I'm serious here, because when you decide to change your life, right, it took all those influences, it took all those things to motivate you, to get you to this point. You haven't lost years, okay? And being 30, I mean, hell, I'm 36, all right? Like, you know what? Okay, actually, you know what? Here we go. I got it, Jason. Oh, I got the answer for you, my friend. I got the answer for you. I did a video that said 7 years ago, okay, what my life was like. So this is perfect, right? Because you're asking me essentially, you know, is it too late? Are you screwed? And here's my video where I'm going to, 7 years ago where I was, I'm not going to restate it, but check out that video, you know, put a link to it again, but check out that video on what happened, how my life transformed in 7 years. I went from overweight to no job, I mean to a job, but not an entrepreneur at all, really, to, you know, to where I am now, running Simple Programmer, being super fit, you know, having a ton of real estate, millionaire. Like, all of these things happened in like that 6-7 year time frame. So a whole lot can happen in that time, and I've seen bigger transformations. People do bigger. So I'm really answering the question of entering the career field, because it doesn't matter, because there's no specific advice I'm going to give you for being a software developer past 30. It's the same thing as being 25, right? So I think it's more important to talk about like this feeling that you feel like you're wasting, that you've lost time. You haven't. You're fine. You're cool. You got plenty of time, dude. Like you know, if you worked until you're 60, that's 30 years to make a career. I mean, shoot, in 10 years you can be at the top of your game. You can be the, you know, in 5 years some people go up to the top of the pay scale software developer. There's a lot of opportunity. I don't know what you want to do with your life, what you want to do here, but you got plenty of time. You can do it. You know, a lot can change in that time frame. So don't worry, dude. Don't worry. You're fine. It's awesome. I love that you've already changed your life around. I love that my Kanban board is dinging and telling me that my Pomodoro is over, and so that means I need to wrap up this video. So anyway, Jason, I hope that helps you. Honestly, I hope that gives you some encouragement. And yeah, don't worry about it, man. A lot of you need to lift some of these burdens off of you. I saw this thing on Facebook. It was like the mountain was meant for you to climb it, not for you to carry it around. Oh, how awesome is that? That's the truth. So, if you like this video, click the subscribe button below and you will subscribe and you will get all the videos that I do. I do a lot of videos. Yeah, I do. Anyway, thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, whatever, share. See you later.